Hey everyone, are you facing iCloud activation lock links on any iPhone device or locked owners? How do you fix it at your home with the help of PC or laptops? Whatever devices you have, PC, laptops, and desktops, don't worry guys. Yes, you can fix it at your home if you're having these kind of challenges, that is, your device is locked to owner, or yes, if it is linked to an Apple ID, asking enter the Apple ID and password after accessing especially data by using especially items. So don't worry, either your device is in this toilet mode, lost mode, blacklisted. In a situation, you can fix it, or locked with the time screen passcode or iDevice mobile management unlocked. So see, after accessing the data, if the 3U tool is saying that this device is locked to owner and linked to an Apple ID, enter the Apple ID and password that's were used to set up this device. We don't know what's the actual ID and the password behind of it. And then how do you fix it at your home? We can see we are unable to actually operate this device in the camera device of yesterday, but right now I'm fixing it, especially due to having the problem guys. And of course we had to actually make a demonstration also, especially for these channels, maybe someone who's having these kind of challenges and warning hither and thither. Then you would like to be expert to address all kind of the iOS issues, then watch carefully guys. In a one tutorial you would be a veterans. And here just we will close it, and now first and foremost we will have to use this blob server. This is a very small tool and very essential, very useful guys too, especially fix this kind of issues. Sometimes we have to purchase a second-hand device and mistakenly reset it and stepped on a cloud activation, the wrong passcode we have attempted, and due to that also. So this kind of issues are the comings, then we will go for it, and after reading, so all the detail will come here. We will have to include the beta and hit this one guys. So if we hit then multiple times it will be rebooted. So now see, don't do extra anything, so automatically everything will be rendered guys. And see here what a small tool and how functioning. Why we are using this tool? We will reaccumulate all the data on this device, physical form, so especially. Either the data was coming from the cloud data and the Apple database, and after especially reaccumulating them, we'll go the inside to a data. How can I go for the inside? That's new things, especially information you will get it. How easily? See step by step. So don't skip ahead, guys. Every step is going to be a very interesting and crucial. At the end of, without touching, of course, we will transfer the new polite and password, especially. So let's close. Now see, still it is entering. If any error will, until unless it's not saying the succeed, don't do extra anything. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, of course, will be rebooted and reaccumulated everything. So now as tell, so the once again the rating is basically when the finish will be highlighted, then we will go successfully announced, means now the finishing option will be highlighted, and then we will close, we will finish it, and then we will use this basically other things. So now see here, got successfully API announced. So this is very essential to the GOAT. API announced means all the data and the information, of course, will be reaccumulated on it. Now 3U tool has opened automatically and succeed has been given, guys. What do you see here? We have the completed first step carefully, guys, and successfully. Second things we will have to here go for inside of this crash analysis, and here nothing, you will not get anything by normal method, but now see here, yes, it is accumulating. Here is the distinction, there is no crash data, but going the inside, a lot of the data is there. That's why I have mentioned to you, you will learn a lot of the things, especially now that we have deleted all the data. Now let's see, especially we will go the inside of it, we will go for setting, we will go for special language, we will go for special without, and we will go for here. Now that we have deleted, now the accumulated data is nothing coming here. So one thing, if you have time, the real time logs, go ahead and clear it, lays the special time the 20 times. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Now let's clear. Why we will do the make it pause and clear, so almost we have done. Now this is a third tool that we will have to open, that is the special imaging PC. All the retaining data from the Apple database from this device will be have completed, completely wiped out, terminated. Now 3U tool will open, we will go with the trial mode, we will hit this ones, and here you will have option that is just show device control, where it is Yeah, it is. Now it's asking that is especially still length. Yes, we will clear 8 layers to 20 times, so we will have to clear, guys. Keep clearing, guys. Keep clearing. Keep clearing. 8 layers to 20 times, so we will have to clear. Keep clearing. Now all the data, if I show you in the big way, especially let's see, a lot of data, especially that is clearing. How it is, just to see in the clear option. Now it is accumulating. Now I'm the clearing. Now I'm the clearing. Now let's see. So see how is let's clearing. That's a completely, especially in detail I have shown you now here. Just we will clear, and on the other hand, of course, here is option that is especially 20. Then here keep clearing, so guys. On the other hand, of course, here is a special REC mode. Hit this one here, these options, and keep clearing, guys. So till the date of today is a coming. So now nothing is a coming. So this one also we have completed. These imagine PC had cleared all the cloud data returning files. We will close it, and now here we will click on a smart flash. Here we will come the firmware option. In the firmware options, here let's check it out. That latest 3 yellow colors coming, especially beta version, either out of 3, 1 download, and directly you can import it. So we will prefer to import it. So we will come on a easy flash to here is options to import. We will prefer to import here. See guys, here is a beta version out of 1, especially you can have. So I have a downloaded one beta version, especially from and I kept on my desktop. So desktop to especially IPSW here I kept this one. So we will try to import it. So now successfully imported without verification, guys. So you can imagine here. Don't select the retain, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fix, and we will go with the especially quick flash mode and hit it 1 time. Don't select the fixed battery held during the flash. Don't select that. And now don't do. Wait for notification that either it has succeeded or occurs wrong, especially error occurs. That of course we'll try to fix it. One thing I would like to the very crystal and clear to you guys that during the flashing process your device may restart the multiple times. So please, it's my humble request, don't unplug the device, don't confuse, don't upset, and please don't disconnect the device. Now this data cable should be good quality, spontaneously there where you establish the setup that there shouldn't be movement, there shouldn't be any especially movable especially data cable or device, so that if it moves then it will disconnect, and if it will disconnect then it will stuck on Apple logo, then manually you will have to do that. So if you would like to learn the manually, if any error will occur, then how would I fix it? Because a lot of the more than 200 issues can be especially occurs on one iPhone. So that's why actually guys, if you would like to learn the everything, then not skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. I'm waiting for a space line in any errors. Now see, more than 60% is we have completed. Time is started on no editing, no anything, especially live presentations. Yes, maybe very essential for someone who is having especially this kind of challenges, who would like to be veteran, who is especially shopkeeper, or anyone who would like to fix by especially himself at his home any device. And then of course this procedure can be applicable on any iOS, guys, on any iPhones also. So now I'm waiting for notifications, either it is succeed or especially errors. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. So please relax and calm, especially guys. Don't do extra anything now. This is a technical thing, so don't, yes, watch carefully step by step and check it out that where error occurs. And if you have confused or any query, then of course you can directly drop the query, and of course I will reply immediately as soon as possible, guys, according to the query. And sometimes of course if you give a screenshot that what kind of the issues are coming after by this method, then of course we will address together, don't worry. But of course assistance that you will have to be especially of course come with it together step by step. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share of this content, guys. I'm waiting for especially now here. If any error occurs, then of course we will try to see that what's going to happen. Don't do extra anything, so guys, and try to use a proper data cable. Once again, I repeat that try to use a original or proper data cable. Still, we are stuck on a 52 percentage. Fine, so don't worry, guys. Don't do extra anything. Just we will have to wait and come. So that's all. So now, don't do extra anything. Just we are waiting for the results. Without touching on this device, I will show you that. Especially how easily we can. Yes, create new Apple ID with password. I think, so especially more than 80% is we have completed, guys. Once again, I repeat, this device cam, especially I'm there yesterday and so now. So right now I'm the fixing because due to time delays, but don't worry, multiple devices have been especially I'm the fixed the by a similar strategy. So at your home, relax, it's a permanent matter. Completely wipe out all the data that's returning inside or especially either it is in a cloud data and the Apple data, and of course this will disconnect the link also from the any particular especially ID. So time, screen, passcode, ID device, mobile management, locks or manager password, that the various kind of the security. Of course, everything will be fixed. Two, three crucial steps that of course we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. That's why I'm requesting please watch a full video. Of course, watch till the end of this tutorial, guys. 11 minutes we expand here and still I'm waiting. We are on a 52 percentage, not really. Why it's so? Because more than 90% we have completed. So this is installing process is rounding here. This can be jumped in a descending order or ascending order, so don't confuse here, guys. Let it do itself. It will notify you directly. Now see here, 2-3% has jumped, and now see how quickly how it's functioning. When it will complete, it will reboot it, and when it will be rebooted, immediately we will have to step we'll have to proceed 2-3 crucial steps. So we are waiting for that. If error occurs in the midst of that, immediately we will try to fix it. Sometimes if your device is stuck on Apple logo or phrase, then up volume, leave it, down volume, leave it immediately. Keep holding start button until it's not defreeze from the Apple logo to a normal mode or recovery mode. Then all the tools and driver will be fully functional once again, guys. Otherwise, these all tools and driver will not be functional because these all are iDevice mobile management tools, guys. Now that we are on a 65%, it is really no more than 90% how it is. Yes, and we can see here. Any kinds with the query, confusion, so sure, so drop the query in the comments box. So drop the question in the comments box. And this is of course, this strategy globally, of course, fix all over the world, especially related to iPhones issues, guys. Either you forgot your screen passcode, apply a simple strategy. Either you forgot, especially, of course, Apple ID with password, also apply this strategy, of course, you will be able to have the completely time screen mobile management or blacklist install in mode, lost mode in situation. Any situation, just apply a simple strategy. That's all. Almost 90% is we have completed, and we spent 14 minutes, guys, still. So now the remaining 6 minutes more, that's all. So within 20 minutes, because we don't have much more time to more device, we will have to especially fix today, right now. So see here what's going to happen further. And whole things, this can be rendered on a PC or laptops, no problem at all. But one thing, there should be RAM more than 8 GB of your computer, so that because multiple tools may be open in a one time, so in that condition maybe hanged or PC will work very slowly. And that's why I'm showing you. So don't worry, just be alert for that. This can be of course the procedure on laptop also. So now see, the system is rebooted and it's congratulated, so there's no error, guys. So immediately we will come in a SpeechLM toolbox. We'll wait for batch activations, this ones. So it's essentially not connected. Fine, we will wait for when it will be highlighted. So now system has been, especially of this device has been rebooted, and here this feature is especially designed to skip the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, of course, everything. So how quickly, of course, we will escape and we will go the inside, we will try to generate the Apple ID. Let's see with password. It has initiated here, now see, and there it has notified it, finds, now it has highlighted. So within the 20 seconds, of course, we will have to select all, we will go for here this one. So it has executed, and this one also executed, both things. Now wait and comes. If any error occurs, immediately we will change the internet connection, and once again this will be highlighted, execute this start buttons. The rest of the rare cases, 1% is if it's not happens due to carrier locks or maybe any other reasons, then that condition, we will customize the precise location of sales area of any iPhone. So suppose this phone sold in Hong Kong, so we are using, especially we are fixing these issues in Europe, and then we'll have to utilize the Hong Kong, the precise locations. How it is? Yes, by creating, of course, virtual private networks, and we will change the special of your computer's sales area, of course, or especially in your IP, and then of course we will try to once again have the good configurations, execute this start. Surely 100% these issues can be fixed because everything we have done now. Yes, we have already cleared all the especially data that's inside by especially the blob saver is spontaneously, of course. Blob saver, we have accumulated all the data and then see succeed. No chances to have the error, guys. Of the PT sure, of course, that it will bear. Now here, of course, we are coming on our deactivations and check it out. It will give you full confirmation that this device has been unlocked completely or not. So it is still the rebooting, and there it's asking the rule how to wait for 10 seconds. So 3 2 1, it should be highlighted, and when it will be highlighted, then go for it. So now see, successful deactivation. So course, so there is no now especially any activation lock length, especially on this device. How it is, how can I confirm? So let's access the data by using iTunes. What's the sanction the iTunes, guys? After accessing the data, definitely if it is linked to a particular ID, then it will ask you that enter the Apple ID that I shown you in the initial time of that. Now we are waiting for especially. Now see here, there is nothing coming, but we will wait here. Let's see what's going to happen. So again, it's now welcome. So do you have any doubt, guys? Blindly go with this, especially if you are facing this kind of a challenge, you would like to be better, you would like to be expert, then watch carefully step by step and go for blindly by this tutorial. Of course, all the issues related to iOS, this will be completely fixed, guys, by this strategy. But of course, you will have to open, we will have to go for use multiple tools, because that I use especially how many tools we have used, 4 tools especially that. So mostly the people don't tell you that by this strategy, by using a 4 tool or 50 tools, this can be fixed especially. But right now, especially with real demonstration, I'm telling you, especially on this channel, guys. So this is only for institution purpose. Now right now here, see, this device is a completely unlocked, so we will have to select the country and the region of especially sales area of this device now, because from this especially now here we have a 2 option. One is especially erase and start again, and there is a continue with the partial setup. So don't select the erase and start again, will come with the especially continue with the partial setup, and when we boom, what you say, guys? Yes, even if you cannot do this thing when you purchase a new phone, so while activating, you will have to activate, you need an internet connection, but without having the internet connection, we go inside, it's asking the connect to the internet to the sign into your device. We don't have internet connection, but how it has been done. Now what we will do, guys, here, yes, we will insert the SIM card now. While doing these all things, and there should be no SIM card inside of this. Now the SIM card insert, and the SIM card, if it is not going to function, so then we will come now once again restore the true location. So system, this will be rebooted, and thereupon once again it will come on a hello screen. No, it will directly come on a home screen of this device without any lock. So this is all about, guys. Further any inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Thank you for staying the till the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and I will be back. I will be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget, please like, subscribe, and share this content, because this is a thing that will inspire me a lot, and to make it such as informative tutorial, and also it's really supports in the channel, guys. Now enjoy as a nuance of that. This is all about in this tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.